Hey guys, Trudi here with Panhandle Power Wash Supply and Classic Touch Pressure Washing. We are out on a job today. We are cleaning the roof, the house, the pavers, and we're also sealing these pavers. So you can see it really needs, and we're doing these knee walls too. See, this roof is pretty bad. These pavers are already dirty, so I can't wait to see what is happening with this and how it turns out. So we are lots of pavers, lots and lots of pavers. So our game plan is we're going to knock out the roof first. I will keep everything wet. Then we're going to wash the house. Pretty big house. Needs some love for sure. And also while I'm walking around doing this video, I'm checking to see if there's any windows open or any exposed outlets or any surfaces that we should really avoid with any sort of chemical, especially when you're doing a roof. Look how nasty these gutters are. If you can see, it's pretty overcast today, which is nice. We're not going to be all hot. And I'll dry real quick all the stuff for the roof. But I will definitely make some after pictures, make some before and after photos, but I'll do a walk around after we're done. Well, you guys stay humble, hustle hard, and have a great day.